Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Alright guys, I was scrolling and I was doing some research and I came across this coin called YOOSHI. As you can see, it is 163 in the list of over how many thousands of cryptocurrencies do we have? That is awesome, 163. Then I want to show you something. You guys know that before I invest in any cryptocurrency, I do my proper research first. And okay, let me show you guys something. I want to quickly show you guys something. I'm coming back to this YOOSHI. Let me show you something, guys. Portfolio Shiba Inu. All right, guys, look at. I bought 6 million SHIB for $2.6. $2.6. Now look at how much I am making. $464 altogether. $454 profit. When did I buy Shiba Inu? As you can see, check transaction history. I bought April 16, 2021 and March 18, 2021. I bought 3 million pieces at intervals. Do you understand? Now, making 6 million, I'm holding, and I've made over $464. Guys, so why I'm saying this is because I don't just invest in any cryptocurrency that will not make us money. I invested in SHIB. I told all my Telegram group members to invest in SHIB, and today we all are in money in SHIB, and we still believe that it is still going to go higher and higher. Now, as I was saying, I was talking about YOOSHI. Now, this cryptocurrency is awesome, guys. Now, you know, before I invest in any cryptocurrency, I check the exchange platform. Where is the exchange? Where are they listed? I can't just invest in a cryptocurrency or put in my time, my effort in a cryptocurrency, and maybe I'm not making $20,000 profit and I can't withdraw. I can't exchange my cryptocurrency because it is not listed on any exchange platform, or probably is listed on only one exchange platform, maybe PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Now, this is YOOSHI. YOOSHI is listed on PancakeSwap, Hotbit, Bkes, Lbank, and Who.com. All these are very, very good exchange platforms. Another thing I look at before investing in the cryptocurrency is the info. What is the coin all about? I read the info and I go to their website. And now this cryptocurrency is awesome, guys. It is awesome. As you can see, it says YOOSHI Gamepad will provide gaming developers a series of gaming pre-launch supports, such as selling unique in-game assets in the form of NFT farms, NFT auctions, and trading marketplace. This is awesome. Their website is cool. Then if you swipe down, you will see their latest auction on NFTs. As you can see, this one is going for 0.7 BNB. Wow, this is awesome. Their website is doing well. Now, this is not even where I'm going to. It's a good coin. Yes, good and fine. Let's go to portfolio. Now, I want to show you something. Now, I bought this coin yesterday. I bought 25 million pieces of YOOSHI with $21. Right now, I'm making $13 profit. Meaning from yesterday to today, it has gone up 63.74%. Let's click info so you will see when I bought it. As you can see, transaction history, October 27, 2021. I bought 25 million pieces of YOOSHI. I paid 21.8 whatever dollar. As you can see, this is the amount profit I'm making now. Let me show you in my wallet because I use Hotbit. Many of you might be asking, sir, where can we buy? I buy from Hotbit. Hotbit is good. All right, as you can see, YOOSHI is number 4. When I bought it yesterday with $20-something, it wasn't in number 4. As you can see, I have index $36, CMB $33, Crow $27. So it was around this place, titanium and Judy. Right now it has gone up to number 4 in my cryptocurrency list, because right now it's now worth $40, not even 35. Okay, can you imagine? Now it's worth $40. 25 million pieces. Something I bought with $21 yesterday is now worth $40 today. You understand, guys? Okay, let me make this clear. This is not a financial advice. Don't say, oh, it is Henry that says I should buy YOOSHI and I put in $1,000. Now I don't have any money again. Please, it's not a financial advice. I'm just a risk taker, and most of the risk I've taken in this life pertaining to cryptocurrency has paid off. It has paid off. So YOOSHI is something I would advise us to look at. It's still at a very, very good price to invest. 0.12345 zeros. So anything can happen, guys. In this present dispensation, when Dogecoin is doing awesomely well, Shiba Inu is doing awesomely well, anything can happen. Right now, the word called impossibility is out of my dictionary. Now I believe in possibilities. So guys, you can invest in this cryptocurrency, and when you are investing, please invest an amount of money you know you can lose, because this is a game, this is a business. There are risks involved. So invest in a crypto, invest an amount you know you can lose. Thank you, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, and comment. Thank you.